Good afternoon, students. As in the previous class, we have proved cos of x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So, with that formula, again we have find out cos of x minus y formula, again sin of x plus y, sin of x minus y, and sin pi by 2 minus x is what, cos pi by 2 minus x is what, based on that one formula with the help of unit circle, right? Now in this class, based on that formula of cos of x plus y, we are going to derive so many formulas. So starting with tan of x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x tan y by 1 minus tan x tan y, and also we will find cot of x plus y is equal to cot x cot y minus 1 by cot y plus cot x. So these two formulas, and also based on those we are going to find now. Now see all of you. Here we need to find tan of x plus y, which is equal to tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan y. We need to prove LHS equal to RHS. First of all, see, I will consider tan of x plus y. Can I write tan of x plus y as sin of x plus y by cos of x plus y? Right? We can write. Why? Because tan is nothing but sin by cos. Whatever may be the angle, tan means sin by cos. We know that sin of x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Right or not? Sin plus means plus only will be there. Sin is there means sin cos, cos sin will come. Now when it comes to cos of x plus y means cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos means plus means minus, cos means cos sin will come. Now in order to get in terms of tan, what we need to do is, here you observe, divide with cos x cos y to both numerator and denominator. So what it will become, sin x cos y by cos x cos y plus, here also, cos x sin y divided by cos x cos y. That means to both numerator and denominator we need to divide with cos x cos y. Here also cos x cos y minus divided by cos x cos y minus sin x sin y divided by cos x cos y. So if here we have divided cos x cos y to both numerator and denominator. If you observe, cos y cancel, cos x cancel, cos x cos y cancel. Here it won't cancel. Now sin x by cos x is tan x, right? Next, plus sin y by cos y is tan y divided by, this is a cos x cos y cancel, so it will be 1 minus sin by cos is tan x into sin y by cos y, which is equal to tan y. So this is what tan of x plus y is, what tan of x plus y. So this is the proof of tan of x plus y, which is equal to tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x tan y. You need to remember, right? Next, we know that cot in terms of tan. What is tan? 1 by cot. That means cot, how we can write? Cot of x plus y, we can write as 1 by tan of x plus y. Nothing but cot theta is nothing but 1 by tan theta. Now what is tan of x plus y? 1 by tan of x plus y. So 1 by tan of, nothing but 1 by tan of x plus y by 1 minus tan x tan y. So we can write that as reciprocal of that, right? Reciprocal of that, nothing but 1 minus tan x tan y divided by tan x plus tan y. So tan x plus tan y. But we need cot formula now. Tan means in terms of tan, cot means in terms of cot. See, in terms of cot, what it is? 1 by tan x we can write as 1 by cot x into tan y in terms of 1 by cot y whole divided by tan x plus tan y. Tan x we can write as 1 by cot x plus tan y we can write as 1 by cot y. So if you take LCM or numerator, it will be cot x cot y. It will be cot x cot y. So as it is 1 is here, so it will become cot x cot y minus, it is 1 whole divided by 1 by cot x plus 1 by cot y. For these two, what is LCM? LCM is cot x cot y. So if you do cross multiplication, it will become cot y plus cot x. So these two will be cancelled. So we will get cot x cot y minus 1 by cot y plus cot x. Cot y plus cot x. So this is the formula of cot of x plus y, which is cot x cot y minus 1 by cot y plus cot x. So these two are very important formulas. Pause the video and note it down. Next. So this is in terms of what? Tan of x plus y. What it may be in terms of tan of x minus y. Right? Tan of x minus y. And here also given in terms of cot of x plus y. What in terms of cot of x minus y? See, let us solve that one also. See. So we have tan of x plus y. What we need is tan of x minus y. Right? Tan of x minus y. Tan of x minus y we can also write like tan of x plus of minus y. Can we write like this? Tan of x minus y is nothing but plus into minus, minus 1 tan of x plus y. But if you observe this in terms of tan of x plus y formula. What is tan of x plus y? Tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x tan y. So we will substitute in that manner. So which is tan x plus tan y. Tan y means here tan of minus y whole divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y, actual formula, tan x into tan y. But in terms of y, what is there here? Minus y. So further by simplifying, this is tan x minus tan y whole divided by 1 minus, so it will become 1 plus tan x tan y. You can understand why the tan of minus y is minus. Why? Because cos of minus theta is cos theta, but when it comes to tan, tan is an odd function. Which are even functions? Cos and secant only even functions. When it comes to remaining sine, tan, cot and cosecant, those are odd functions. So tan of minus y is minus tan y. Here also tan of minus y is minus. Minus into minus, it will become plus. So this is what tan of x minus y formula. So remember these two, one is tan of x plus y and another one is tan of x minus y. Very small difference. Here plus means plus minus, minus means minus plus. Simple. Here also. Here we need cot of x minus y. So cot of x minus y we can write as cot of x plus of minus y, we can write x plus of minus y. So this is in the form of cot of x plus y formula. What is cot of x plus y formula? That is cot x cot y minus 1 by cot y plus cot x. So this is what the formula of cot of x plus y. But instead of y, what is there? Instead of y, minus y is there. So minus y. Now you tell me, cot of minus y. Cot is odd function or even function? Odd function. So it will become minus. So minus cot x cot y minus 1 by. So cot of minus y is minus cot y plus cot x. Right? So if you take common minus in numerator, if you take minus common, it will be cot x cot y plus 1 divided by denominator also minus you take common, so then it will become cot y minus cot x. So minus minus cancel, we will get cot x cot y plus 1 by cot y minus cot x. So this is the formula of cot of x minus y. Pause the video and note it down and observe the difference. Tan plus means plus minus, minus means minus plus. Numerator tan x plus tan y, tan x minus tan y. But when it comes to cot, plus means minus plus, minus means plus minus. Numerator cot x cot y minus 1 by cot y plus cot x will be there. In denominator minus means cot y minus cot x. Plus means cot y plus cot x. So you need to remember either through logically or blindly. But if you did not know the formula also, like this we can solve and we can find while solving problems. Pause the video and note it down. Next we will find the proofs of sin 2x and again cos 2x formulas. Sin 2x and cos 2x formulas. So we know that sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x, and this also we can write as 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x also. So formula of sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x and also 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x, and also cos 2x formula. Cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x, right? And also the formula is 1 minus 2 sin square x, and also which is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, and also equal to 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. See, cos 2x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 formulas are there. Which formula you need to use while solving problems? That is based upon the solution, based upon the, if we want to prove something else, based on the proof or based on the problem, we need to use either this or this. And how we will get these 4 formulas, and how we will get sin 2x means either 2 sin x cos x, or when we will need to use 2 sin x cos x, and when we can use 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x, those all we will learn further. So up to now, from now we will prove why that sin 2x equal to these 2, why cos 2x equal to these 4. So first I will consider sin 2x. Sin 2x. If you observe, sin 2x can be write as x plus x. 2x is nothing but x plus x can be write. Now we know that sin of x plus y. What? Sin of x plus y formula is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Right? Sin of x plus y is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Now here it is in the form of sin of x plus x. Instead of x plus y, it is there in terms of x plus x. So that formula will be sin x cos x plus cos x sin x. Nothing but sin cos sin is same. But xy, xx. Why? Because y should we have to replace with x. So cos y sin y will become cos x sin x only. Why? Because instead of y, what is there? X. So this is sin x cos x, sin x cos x. So it will be 2 sin x cos x. So which is the first formula, which is a sin 2x equal to 2 sin x cos x. Right? So this is first one. Now when we will get 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. So as we know that sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. Right? So denominator can I write by 1? If the value is 5 by 1 can we write. If the value is 10 by 1 we can write. So like that 2 sin x cos x as can I write as equal to 1 divided by 1. Yes. Now instead of 1 I will write it as cos square x plus sin square x. This also can be write. Why? Because cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. Right? Now is 2 sin x cos x divided by cos square x plus sin square x. Now this one, for this whole function I will divide with cos square x to both numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator. So if we divide, what it will be? 2 sin x cos x by cos square x whole divided by cos square x by cos square x plus sin square x by cos square x. Right, to both numerator and denominator. Here cos square x cancel. Here cos square and 1 cos cancel. 2 sin x by cos x, which is 2 tan x. Right, sin by cos is nothing but tan x. Here cos by this is cancelled. This is 1 plus sin square x by cos square x, which is equal to tan square x. So this is the second formula. So we can conclude that sin 2x equal to 2 sin x cos x, or sometimes you can also write like 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. Based on our requirement, we will use that formula. Next, cos 2x. See all of you. Cos 2x we can write as cos of x plus x. We can write as cos of x plus x. We know that cos of x plus y formula. What is cos of x plus y? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Why? Because cos means cos sin plus means minus. That same formula we will use here. Instead of y, wherever y is there, we need to put x. Why? Because here x plus x. So it will become cot x minus, sorry, cos x minus sin x sin x. So which will be equal to cos x into cos x is cos square x minus sin square x. This is one formula, which is cos square x equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Next, when we will get 1 minus 2 sin square x, as we know that cos 2x equal to cos square x minus sin square x, right? Now, instead of cos square x, can we write cos square x as 1 minus sin square x minus sin square x? Can I write cos square as 1 minus sin square x? Yes, we can. Why? Because we know that cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1, and nothing but cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. Cos square means 1 minus sin square x, or if you want in terms of sin square equal to 1 minus cos square x. Like that also we can write. So cos square we can write 1 minus sin square x. So this is 1 minus sin square x minus sin square x, which will be 1 minus 2 sin square x, right? Which is a second formula, this one. Next, when we will get 2 cos square x minus 1. So we know that cos 2x equal to cos square x minus sin square x. This one, first one. Now in terms of sin, what we can write cos square x minus sin square x, we can write as 1 minus cos square x. Sin square we can write as 1 minus cos square x. So it will be cos square x minus into 1 is minus 1, minus into minus is plus cos square x. So it will be 2 cos square x minus 1, which is third formula. Now, how we will get 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x? Observe carefully. So cos 2x equal to, we know that cos square x minus sin square x. First formula. So this formula can we write as divided by 1? Can we write divided by 1? Yes. That 1 also we can write as cos square x plus sin square x. We can write, instead of 1 we can write cos square x plus sin square x. Why? Because that value will be equal to 1, right? Now here what we will do is, I will do divided with cos square x to both numerator and denominator. If we divide with denominator, cos square x by cos square x is 1 minus sin square x by cos square x is tan square x, divided by cos square x by cos square x is 1 plus sin square x by cos square x is tan square x. So which is the fourth formula. What is that? 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. So these are very important formulas while solving problems. Observe, we have four formulas. One is cos square x minus sin square x, 1 minus 2 sin square x, 2 cos square x minus 1, 1 minus tan square x. That means cos in terms of both cos and sin is this one, cos 2x in terms of sin is this one, cos 2x in terms of cos is this one, cos in terms of tan is this one, right? And also you can use like a cot also. That means tan you can convert as cot 1 by cot square x, like that also you can find. So these are the very important formulas. Pause the video and note it down. Next, so as we have found it, sin 2x formulas and cos 2x formulas, and also we can write tan 2x as, we know that tan of x plus y formula, right? What is tan of x plus y? Tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x tan y. 1 minus tan x tan y, right? So like that tan 2x also we can write. What is tan 2x? We can write as tan of x plus x. So tan 2x we can write as tan of x plus x. Then instead of y, instead of wherever y is there, we need to put x. So that is tan x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x into tan x, right? So we can write tan x plus tan x as 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. So this formula also we will use regularly while solving problems. This is also very important formula. Tan 2x equal to 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. So as like this, how we have find out, we can also write cot 2x. Cot 2x equal to cot square x minus 1 by 2 cot x. So this is the formula of cot 2x. How we can find cot 2x? Cot of x plus y formula. Cot of x plus y formula is cot x cot y minus 1 by cot y plus cot x. But instead of y, again we need to put x only. So we will get tan 2x and cot 2x. Now here we will find the important proofs of sin 3x and cos 3x. See, as how we are, so what are the formulas we are discussing now? The proofs. Those proofs they may ask for either 2 marks or 3 marks. Compulsory, any one question will come either for 2 marks or 3 marks. That question may be prove sin of x plus y formula, or sin 2x or cos 2x, or tan 2x or cos 2x, or tan of x plus y, or cot of x plus y, or sin 3x and cos 3x. Any one question they may ask for either 2 marks or 3 marks. So let us solve this sin 3x formula and cos 3x formula. So actually sin 3x formula is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So this we are going to prove now. Sin 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. But when it comes to cos 3x is equal to, so this is like ulta, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So this is like ulta. But these two will prove now. So sin 3x, I will consider LHS sin 3x. Sin 3x can I write it like sin 2x plus x, 3x as 2x plus x. We know that sin of x plus y formula. What is that sin of x plus y? Sin of x plus y means sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, right? Sin cos sin. So here also it will be sin 2x cos x plus cos 2x into sin x. Sin cos sin. Sin cos sin. What is first time in 2x? So 2x x, 2x x. Now we know that sin 2x formula. Remember that what is sin 2x? 2 sin x cos x into again cos x plus cos 2x formula in terms of sin. In terms of sin is 1 minus 2 sin square x into what? Into sin x. Right? Now this is 2 sin x. 2 sin x into cos x is cos square x plus 1 into sin x is sin x minus sin x into sin square is 2 sin cube x. Right? Now, so here we are simplifying in order to get this RHS. Here if you observe this RHS only in terms of sin and sin, but here if you observe in terms of cos. So cos square x also you need to convert in terms of sin square. So it will be 2 sin x into cos square. How we can convert in terms of sin? It will be 1 minus sin square x plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. Right? So it will be 2 sin x into 1 is 2 sin x plus into minus is minus, 2 into 1 is 2, sin x into sin square x is sin cube x plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. If you observe this, 2 sin x plus 3 sin x is 3 sin x minus 2 sin cube x minus 2 sin cube x is minus 4 sin cube x. So which is the proof of sin 3x. Next, when it comes to cos 3x, observe cos 3x we can write as cot of 2x plus x as like this. Now we know that cos of x plus y formula. What is cot of x? Cos of x plus y? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So instead of x plus y, what is there? 2x plus x. So that also you write cos 2x cos x minus sin 2x sin x. Cos sin minus cos sin minus. Here there x plus y. Here 2x plus x. So 2x x 2x x. If you observe all the formulas what we have found is all are based on cos and sin formulas. Right? Now cos 2x formula. What is cos 2x? Is 2 cos square x minus 1 into cos x minus sin 2x formula is 2 sin x into cos x into sin x into sin x. So if you multiply this 2 cos square x into cos x is 2 cos cube x minus 1 into cos x is cos x minus 2 into sin x is sin square x, but sin square x in terms of cos square is minus 2 into 1 minus cos square x into cos x. Now after simplification, this is 2 cos cube x minus cos x, minus 2 into 1 into cos x is minus 2 cos x. Next, minus 2 into minus is plus 2 into cos square x into cos x is cos cube x. Now 2 cos cube x plus 2 cos cube x is 4 cos cube x minus cos x into minus 2 cos x, which minus 3 cos x. This is the proof of cos 3x equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So as like this, we can also find tan 3x and cot 3x. How we can find tan 3x? Tan 3x we can write as tan 2x plus x. Tan of x plus y is tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x tan y. You can also substitute tan of 2x plus x formula also. That also you can find. And again, cot of x plus y formula. Nothing but cot 3x. Cot 3x also we can find. I hope you will do tan 3x and cot 3x proof you will find. Right? So until then, pause the video and note it down. So last proofs which are based on sin of x plus y, sin of x minus y, cos of x plus y and cos of x minus y. See, those are like based on these 4 formulas up to now we have found so many proofs. So again we will do last proofs. Those are also which are very important. So this I will consider as equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. Equation 1, 2, 3, 4. For suppose if I add equation 1 plus 2 and if I do equation 1 minus 2, what we are going to get? 1 plus 2, 1 minus 2. Nothing but sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y and sin of x plus y minus sin of x minus y. What we are going to get? And again from equation 3 and 4. Equation 3 plus 4, what we will give? Equation 3 minus 4. Nothing but cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y and cos of x plus y minus cos of x minus y. So what are the formulas of these 4? 1 plus 2, 1 minus 2, 3 plus 4, 3 minus 4. If you observe, 1 plus 2 is nothing but summation of these two equations. Summation of these two equations. Sin of x plus y, sin of x minus y is nothing but 1 plus 2. What we are getting? If we do plus, so this cos x minus cos x sin y will get cancelled. So 2 sin x cos y, nothing but sin x cos y plus sin x cos y. Nothing but the result is 2 sin x cos y. Next, if you do 1 minus 2, equation 1 minus equation 2, then if you do, this will become minus, this will become plus. These two will get cancelled. Cos x minus cos x sin y plus cos x sin y. It will become 2 cos x sin y. This is about equation 1 and 2. When comes to equation 3 and 4, if you do plus, equation 3 plus 4, if you do plus, what we are getting? So these two will be cancelled. 2 cos x cos y. It will be 2 cos x cos y. Next, so if you do 3 minus 4, equation 3 minus equation 4, if you do minus, it will become minus, it will become minus. So minus, these two will be cancelled, these two will be minus 2 sin x sin y, minus 2 sin x sin y. So observe that these are the 4 important formulas. Sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y is 2 sin x cos y, 2 cos x sin y, 2, like this formulas will be. If you observe, 2 is common, so how to remember this is, here if you observe 2 is common here. So if you observe sin of x plus y formula, what is that? 2 sin x cos y, so nothing but sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Cos of x plus y formula, what is cos of x plus y? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. See, why I have written these two formulas is to remember these 4 formulas. If you observe sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y, if plus sign is there, you need to consider first 2 terms. What are those? Sin x cos y, sin x cos y. If minus is there, you need to consider next 2 terms. What are those? Cos x sin y. cos x sin y. Next, if cos is there, plus means first two terms you need to consider, that is cos x cos y. If minus is there, next two terms you need to consider, sin x sin y and minus. Did you observe this? So by this way we can remember those, but the proof is like this. But for all these four, 2 is common, right? Pause the video and note it down. Next, from these four formulas, guys, here I will consider as x plus y equal to alpha, and x minus y equal to beta. X plus y is equal to alpha, x minus y equal to beta I will consider. If we add these two, x plus y equal to alpha, x minus y equal to beta, if we add these two equations, what we will get? Y cancel, this is 2x equal to alpha plus beta. If we do plus, nothing but x equal to what? Alpha plus beta by 2. X equal to alpha plus beta by 2. And if we do subtraction for these two, x plus y equal to alpha, x minus y equal to beta. If you do subtraction to this, x minus x cancel, y minus will become plus, right? So y plus y will become 2y alpha minus beta. Then y is equal to what? Alpha minus beta by 2. As I consider x plus y equal to alpha, x minus y equal to beta, what I got? X value and y value. So I will substitute in these four equations. Nothing but, see, so sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y. So now these four formulas again I will convert it into another formulas. Those are sin of x plus y and x minus y. What is x plus y? This is sin x, sin alpha plus sin beta. Nothing but x plus y, x minus y is nothing but alpha and beta, which is equal to 2 sin x y. What is x? X is alpha plus beta by 2 and cos alpha minus beta by 2. This is about first one. And again you replace x plus y, x minus y as alpha and beta, x and y as alpha plus beta by 2, alpha minus beta by 2. Then we will get the formulas like this is sin alpha minus sin beta is equal to 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 into sin alpha minus beta by 2. Next, in terms of cos, if it is cos alpha plus cos beta, what we got? 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 and cos alpha minus beta by 2. When it comes to last, this, observe cos alpha minus cos beta, which is equal to minus 2 sin x means alpha plus beta by 2 and y means sin alpha minus beta by 2. So these are this is first four important formulas and continues with these next four important formulas. These are also you need to remember. See, these are very easy to remember. If you observe these four formulas, alpha plus beta by 2, alpha minus beta by 2, these are same, and 2 also will be same. But for sin, plus means sin cos will come, minus means cos sin. With this formula you can remember. Next, cos, plus means cos, minus means minus 2 sin. So easily you can remember if you understand the logic. Pause the video and note it down. Today, so there will be no assignment, but I said to find tan 3x and cot 3x. Hope all you all understand. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Have a nice day.